This is modern vegan pork, engineered from jackfruit.
Only mature fruit earns the journey ahead. Volume matters at this scale. Flow replaces force. Movement replaces handling. Preparation becomes precision. Scale begins where harvest meets steel. Surface stripped away.
Consistency begins here.
Structure revealed. Meat without animals. Structure is refined.
Heat prepares transformation.
Balance makes consistency. Texture is engineered. Form precedes measure. Appearance matters. Traceability travels with every pack.
Every transformation begins at the source. Only mature fruit earns the journey ahead. Volume matters at this scale.
£50,000, moving as one.
Nature meets industry.
The plant never sleeps.
Flow replaces force. Every pound accounted for. Surface stripped away.
Consistency begins here.
Structure revealed. Scale begins where harvest meets steel. Movement replaces handling. Preparation becomes precision. The interior reveals the promise. The hypnotic moment. Meat without animals. Structure is refined. Texture begins to form.
Heat reshapes texture.
Pulled, not cut.
Heat prepares transformation.
Balance makes consistency.
Here, plant becomes protein.
Convincingly familiar.
Texture is engineered.
Uniformity is taste. Stability follows force.
Flavor finds its base.
Binding creates bite. Data protects feel.
Form precedes measure. Control preserves texture.
Protection takes shape. En persoon die de pijnlijke en netmerkes en langs made queen rekindler 8 foot our airfoners.
Appearance matters.
Freshness is sealed. Traceability travels with every pack.
Consistency is verified. Safety is silent.
Many units, one system.
Scale returns. Quality waits in order.
Demand directs motion.
The journey continues.
From plant to plate.
This is modern vegan pork, engineered from jackfruit.